Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Redmi A3x. Alright, so let's begin. So we need to go straight into our WhatsApp. And now once we are here, we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner and now get into the settings. Now let's scroll down and until we find the chats. And now scroll again into the chat backup. And that's the option that we are interested in. So under the Google account, you need to simply add your Google account, and on that account the backup will be saved. So you can forget it, you can forget the password to it, otherwise you won't be able to restore it. Also, if you want to add account, simply click on add account. Now I need to type my PIN to get forward. Okay, and in here you can type your another Google account, and if you don't have one, simply click on create account right in here. Okay, so once it's done, below we have something called the automatic backups. By the default it will be set on off, but you can choose between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So currently it's selected on the weekly, which means that each week the backup will be automatically made I don't do this manually, basically. Okay, and below we have the option to include videos. You can enable it right in here, and also below you can see how many megabytes will be uploaded. Okay, and on the bottom we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here, basically you will create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget the password, otherwise you won't be able to restore the backup. Okay, so once everything is selected, we need to simply click on this green button, backup. Okay, backing up messages, the process has started. Okay, and now it's done. As you can see, the last backup, we got the hour on which it was made and also the size of it right in here. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.